Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome back my YouTube channel. I want to share baby dress design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing baby dress design. So viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. The fashion lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and fashions. In this video you will see all designs and all colors. Guys, some people like bright colors and some people like light colors. But in this video, you will see all color designs. So viewers, you see most decent and unique design used on your party functions and everyday patterns. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more decent and unique patterns. So viewers, as a gift for your friend on her birthday, so here the sweet idea for creating this winning design. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family members. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.